People, welcome back to my channel. This is Birdbeak. I wasn't expecting to make a video like this one, but here we are. Not even 1 month after the tragic passing of the popular Naya gang, I am now hearing reports from credible sources that popular TikToker 41 Busshead was attacked and unalived while live on TikTok. Jamaica, people, this is getting way out of hand. It wasn't that long ago where TikTok was filled with dancers and humorous skits. Now what has happened is an absolute disaster. We as a people need to collectively come together to put an end to the madness that is taking place here in our beloved nation. Jamaica was once all about peace and unity and love for the fellow man. What happened to Jamaica? What happened to looking out for one another? Like, this is a disgrace. I am embarrassed and disgusted by the barbaric and toxic environment which is the state of the Jamaican culture. We need a reform. We need a massive cultural shift. There is no way we as the people of Jamaica can sit idly by much longer and let this destruction of our society take place right in front of our eyes, and we sit quietly with our heads down pretending as if we don't know what's happening. Come on now, people of Jamaica. First Naya gang, now Busshead. How much more will it take until we decide that enough is enough and we pool our efforts together to finally getting rid of the pestilence and the violence producers and all who facilitate and endorse them out of our culture? Jamaica, this is totally unacceptable and we need to do better as a nation. The whole world is watching and this is not a good look for the country. It is time to put an end to it. You see me? Let this video serve as a call to action for all of those who support my stance on this issue. Please share this video because we need to wear awareness about this issue. Share this video to all of the real ones who want our voices to be heard. Time now for all of this madness to end and let peace reign again. Bird Nation, stay sharp.